Today, we'll be making soft and fluffy burger buns. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To a mixing bowl, add in warm water, milk, and an egg. Then give it a quick whisk. Then add in melted butter, bread flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Then we'll move this over to our stand mixer and let it knead for 15 to 20 minutes on medium. You can also use a bread machine or knead by hand. After 15 and 20 minutes, it's done kneading. Your dough will be quite sticky, but we'll set this aside for now. Cover the dough and we'll let it rest until doubled in size. This will take about 1 to 2 hours. After they rise, deflate the dough and place it onto your work surface. Since the dough will be quite sticky, use some extra flour. Now we'll divide our dough into 8 pieces. For even burger buns, you can also use a scale to make sure that they're all equal in weight. To shape each dough, gently fold each side to the center. Then flip the dough so that the seam is facing down. Repeat this process until you've shaped all 8 doughs. Cover and we'll let this rise for 1 hour. In the meantime, we'll prepare our egg wash. Add egg and a splash of water and mix. After an hour, we can add on our egg wash, and optionally add on some sesame seeds. Then bake your buns at 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. Move the buns to a cooling tray and let it cool completely. Once cooled, we can slice our buns in half and serve. And there you have it, homemade burger buns. Enjoy!